Panguva inoyi zvonyatsoonekwa kuti ZANU-PF yowondomoka kukoromoka chaiko. Pari kuonekwa kunzi matsakatikiro ari kuita mamembers of the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva inoyi ari kuraisa maspeculations kunyange vanhu vasinganyatsi kuziva the main cause aiwa yekutsakatika uku. But panguva inoyi vanhu vari kunyatsoonekwa kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Wese panguva inoyi pari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi there is a succession battle iri kuitika in the ruling party. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV now mobile community. ZANU-PF Harare province at the weekend buried two senior of its cadets at the Liberation War veterans, Tendai Maveve and Amos Mutiza Mepo. The pair passed away on the same day on 7 July and were laid to rest side by side over the weekend at the Harare Provincial Heroes Acre. Born 5 May 1964 in Chikombezi village, Cheredi district, Masvingo province, Maveve joined the liberation struggle in 1976, following into Mozambique to undergo military training. She was among the few survivors of the brutal Chimoyo attack in 1977. Afterwards, she continued serving the cause at Gondora and Chiminga bases until the end of the war. She is survived by 7 children and several grandchildren. Mutiza Mepo also joined the liberation struggle in 1976. He passed away at the age of 68 and is survived by 5 children and several grandchildren. Both comrades were accorded full military honors in recognition of their immense contributions to Zimbabwe's liberation and post-independence developments. Their joint burial symbolized lifelong commitment to the country's freedom and their enduring legacy within the ruling party. Tomasho Karukuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ine matsakatikiro avari kuita vanhu panguva ine vatosara vatori speechless vasingatonzwisise zvinhu zviri kuitika. Pina comment section yedu nzima kungura aim kuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.